Hello, students of Athena Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about this chapter, and the name of the chapter is patterns. Okay, so here you see students, Beanie and Guinea were going home. On the way, they saw some people making the pavement. বিন্নী আৰু গিন্নীয়ে ঘৰলৈ গৈ আছিল আৰু অহা বাটত সিহঁতে ফুটপাথ বনোৱা দেখিছিল। The tiles used were of different colors and designs আৰু ফুটপাথ বনোৱা টাইলছবোৰ বেলেগ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ আৰু বেলেগ বেলেগ ৰঙৰ আছিল। This is what they saw. So here you see this picture, all are tiles. So here you see these tiles and these tiles. Okay, and what is the difference? So here you see this, here you see these tiles, this tile like this. Okay, and this tile like a curve, 1 2 3 4. Okay, see these two tiles are different. Okay, on reaching home they saw their mother's sari hanging on a rope. It also had a nice design with different colors. So here you see this sari, and here you see, first here you see yellow dot, then a leaf. Okay, a leaf like pattern is here, design, then a red spot, then again a leaf, then again yellow spot, then again a leaf. Okay, here you see, and next here you see a yellow dot and 1 2 3 leaves, again dot, then again 1 2 3 leaves, and again dot. So here you see this design. Okay, so next, in the evening they were playing in a park. They saw iron grills on the boundary wall. So here you see this boundary wall, and here you see the grills. Okay, and see the pattern. Here you see, looking at the grills, Binny said, the same grills make a different pattern in our windows at home. So here you see the grill structure. Okay, here you see this type of structure. Okay, the design is same, but the patterns are different in these two pictures. Here you see this one left side and right side, and this pattern up and down. Here you see up and downward. Okay, so this is the difference between these two patterns. We see many such patterns around us on tiles clothes. Hulu has eaten a part of a soul of Binny's mother. Look at the picture and help Binny in matching which piece is of the same pattern. So here you see students, 1 2 3 4 4 squares make a rhombus. Here you see like a rhombus. Okay, here you see this pattern, 1 2 3 4. Okay, in this rhombus, here you see 1 2 3 4 4 rhombus are there. Okay, so 1 2 3, then again 1 2 3. So here you see 1 2. Okay, so we have to find out this portion. Okay, Now here you see so many rhombus are there. Okay, so we need to find out this pattern. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So in this four parts, out of these four parts, this part, okay, this part matching, okay, this part is matching. So the correct answer is this. Next, Madhav wants to make a pattern on the gate using, here you see this structure. Okay, can you guess which of this cannot be formed with this? So first picture, here you see 1 2 3 like this. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, this pattern can be formed. Okay, this pattern can be formed. Now come to this pattern. Here you see, first observe carefully the pattern. The patterns like that. Okay, like that. Here you see this curve. Okay, downward curve. Okay, but here you see this picture, the downward curves. Okay, downward curves here. So this pattern cannot be formed. Okay, cannot be formed, this pattern. And this pattern here you see, with the help of this, like this, we this pattern can be formed. Okay, this pattern can be formed, but this pattern cannot be formed. Okay, because there are no curves. Okay, there are no curves, so this pattern cannot be formed. Again, this pattern, here you see, one one sorry 1 2 3, again 1 2 3, again 1 2 3. So this pattern can be formed. Okay, so out of this 1 2 3 4 5 patterns, these two pattern cannot be formed. So next, students, here you see, fill up the blank boxes the complete the pattern. So here you see, students, first pattern. First, here you see a pink. Okay, so here you see a square of pink, then 1 2. So there are two triangles. Okay, green and dark yellow. Okay, so again here you see pink, then again 1 2. There are two triangles. Okay, green and dark yellow. Again pink. So here you see, then yellow, light yellow, 1 2. Here you see, again green and dark yellow, then again here you see yellow, light yellow, and again there are two triangles, green and dark yellow. So what will be next? Yes, yellow, light yellow. So here we colored light yellow. Okay, Then next here you see pink, green, dark yellow, pink. Then here you see what will be next. Yes, green. So here we color green. Okay, then pink. Okay, so next students, here you see yellow, green, dark yellow, and then yellow. Okay, then here you see dark yellow, so now students, here we can see the complete pattern. Okay, so like that you have to color it.